Risk of wildfires increase in Tennessee. The Department of Agriculture is pushing for a new team to train first responders on how to fight the flames before they spread. State Capitol reporter Tori Gessner explains.
In Tennessee, there's a trend. More people are trading city skylines for the shade of the trees. The volunteer state has one of the fastest growing wild and urban interfaces in the country. The area where nature and humans collide, increasing around 2 million acres, according to the Department of Agriculture. But putting your home near a forest could run a higher risk of it burning down.
As urbanization and people build residences, some of them build in within the trees and not much access, and so they're not fire ready.
That can make it harder for first responders to put out the flames.
Now we're not just dealing with trees and plants, we're also dealing with people's homes and communities.
That's why the Department of Agriculture is requesting $245,000 to create a wildfire resiliency team pilot program. Its 3 members would be based in the Chattanooga, Knoxville, and Crossville areas, tasked with teaching local paid and volunteer fire departments how to respond to wildfires.
These individuals will be directed towards making sure that they are trained, because they are on the scene, and we need them to be safe. We need them to understand how small fires in that wild and urban interface can exponentially increase into wildfires, and then we need them to be able to integrate into our complex wildfire operations.
From the forest floor to the fire line, it's an effort to train first responders how to fight the flames facing more Tennessee homes. Reporting in Nashville, I'm Tori Gessner.
And the Department of Ag requested a more than $24.5 million budget increase overall. Well, Governor Bill Lee will consider the request when drafting his budget proposal, which the General Assembly will have to approve.